Hey you guys, welcome back to another sewing tutorial brought to you by the Suffolk Center for Cultural Arts. In today's tutorial, I am going to be showing you guys how to make a cami top with tie sleeves. It's really easy, it's super cute, and I hope you guys have fun with this tutorial. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, we're going to need fabric, a marking tool, ruler, measuring tape, pins, and a pair of scissors. Let's start with your top. Fold your fabric in half. Fold in half again. First thing you're going to do is measure your chest. Then divide your chest measurement by 4. Then from the fold, draw a line using your measurement. Create a point by measuring 4 inches from left to right. Create another point by measuring 2 inches from the top. Connect the dots together. From the 2-inch point, choose the length of your top. Draw a line at the bottom to create your hem. Now to the straps. Draw a line 3 inches wide. From your 3-inch line, measure 20 inches in length. Cut out your pieces. You will have 4 strap pieces and 2 front panels. Trace and cut around the front panels to create 2 more panels for your back pieces. Let's start with the straps. Fold strap panel in half. Iron, pin together, and then you are going to sew. Use a safety pin to flip right side out. With the right sides touching, place the tip of your strap at the top edge of your front panels. Pin together and sew. Repeat with all of your straps. bottom. After sewing, turn right sides out. Repeat with the back panels. Place front and back panels together, right sides touching. Pin the sides together and sew. After sewing, create a hemline by folding the bottom edge up. Flip your top right side out. Then you're going to fold a little bit of the tip of your straps for a clean finish. Pin and sew. Just tie the straps and you're all done. Great job, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.